Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you all my model trains. Most of these are old and I got them at like a swap meet or like a thrift store. And this one is new. It's a Takara Tomy from Japan, or whatever it's called. It's a yellow subway train. Most of these are broken and I don't really use them. Oh my god. Okay, this one has no wheels. I get lots of bugs around here on this shelf. So there's like lots of spiders, creepy crawlies, because this shelf is so dirty. And this is a Pacific Railway I got at SeaWorld. Some N scale, which I will be saving for a model train track. N scale. And my old Caltrain. This right here is a Santa Fe. It looks pretty old. It's a bunch of dust. Ah, so much dust. Sorry. I have dust on my hands. And a little dummy. I don't know why they call it a dummy. It looks pretty cool. Like a train that doesn't run. It's a Southern Pacific. And out of my favorite, this one's my favorite. Silver Streak. And I love that paintwork. I'm gonna have to put this all back on the shelf. There's a coach for the Amtrak. And New York Central. You can see it does run. Ah! Oh my gosh. Some balloons just to make it look nice. And Amtrak cutout cardboard. And some custom Caltrain coaches out of Lego with tape and to fit in with this. And a train I sort of got alive back from the dead. I brought back alive from the dead because it was all dusty and destroyed, and I was able to remember the paintwork, and I washed it, cleaned it. It just looks like this now. Anyways, right here, this is Legos, a custom Lego Batman Batcave. Yeah. And here's my Wimpy Kid books. Half of them. And I got a new Dogman and Captain Underpants book. I'm going to show you it right now. I just got this book, and pretty cool. Love the paint and it's just like the original Captain Underpants book, but it has this bonus comics, and we finally get to see Timmy the Talking Toilet, and wait, I don't want to spoil it for you. I'll show you this one. And the amazing cow lady. And the Flipperama looks brand new. Very similar to this one. And I was very excited to see this, so I bought it. Asked my parents, begged me for me to buy it. And my water bottle has these Alphabet Lore and unofficial Number Lore stickers. These books, and the shelf of Legos, and those Dogman books over there. As you can see, this brand new Dogman book just came out. like not too long ago, and I think I was the first one to buy this book. I think. Because I never saw this book before online, and I think I was the first one to buy it, so I just bought it. And this. The Jokerland set. So cool. So awesome. I'm so happy I got that. And that short where I showed you where I got it, that was last Christmas. As you can see, I have a TV in my room. I can watch movies. And my Lego Batman collection. Got lots of new ones lately. And my Robins. Some are custom. So, guess that's pretty much it. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe. This video was just about me showing you some stuff on my shelf. So, hope you enjoyed. Bye.